Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Sunday the 6th of October 2019, and it's the weekly Ichimoku analysis for Euro and Cable for the second week of October. Let's start off with the Euro, and last week it's closed with a slightly bullish body. Was unable to break higher above the 110 round psychological level and the 138 fib extension level of this reversal move. And last week it was mainly driven by two poor US economic data on Tuesday and Thursday with poor US ISM manufacturing and non-manufacturing PMIs, and then a slightly mixed non-farm payroll report yesterday, which was seen as slightly positive for the dollar, for the US economy. Initially started off with a bearish move for the week and forming a low at 108.80. So we'll see whether this week after retrace, whether it's able to break up higher above the 110 level and try to hit the previous swing low here at 110.27. There's no major news this week for the euro, and it's only ECB meeting accounts minutes being released on Thursday. The next ECB meeting will be a couple of weeks later. So it could be more of a consolidation for this week within this range with support from the 162 fib level down to the 109.00 level. So it's between the 109 and the 110 level. Let's take a look at the cable. And last week it closed as a spinning top with the low right at the previous swing high here at 122.07, just above the 62 fib retracement level, and at a high just above the 124.00 level, right into this resistance zone. Close back down below the 38 fib retracement level of this move up. Let's take a look at the daily time frame, and that was the previous swing high as support, and climb back up on the back of the two poor US economic data, just as the euro was on the Tuesday, and then on the Thursday where it hit the 124.00 level, pull back under this previous swing high. And then on Friday, with a mixed US non-farm payroll report, it kept within this range with support from the 50 fib level right at the daily Kijun. So we'll see whether this week there will be further consolidation. This range will still be valid from 122.10 level to the 124, so about 100 to 110 pip range, and we'll see whether if it does break down lower, then there is support right at the 121, and then the 78.6 retracement level breaks out higher. Then there is the 21.4 fib level at 124.50 area. There is only one key economic news for the UK next week on Thursday, with UK GDP figure as well as the manufacturing production figure, and but the key driver will be from the Brexit deal, where the UK government has already sent the proposal to the EU for review and further discussion, and which Prime Minister Boris Johnson termed as his final offer. So let's see how the negotiations continue this week, and the countdown is ticking closer, with the EU summit coming up on the 17th of October, and the UK government has to request for extension to the Brexit if there's no deal by the 19th of October. So it's getting closer and closer to the deadline. Alright, so do check out my other videos on the Euro cable and Aussie dollar, as well as spot gold and dollar yen for the week. Right, meanwhile, have a good trading week, and cheers.